All right, let's look at some problems with the uploading process. Okay, so we have folders you can upload your work in. So if I go to page 38, which we see Sean had uploaded something, and I had uploaded an example for program number 1. So notice how I don't have any spaces in between my names. So there's a problem here. He used parentheses and he left spaces. You don't want to do any of those because that will cause your program to not be opened properly by the software. So you could see I had my name first, and then I put page 38 program 1. So you have 6 programs you're going to do. So let's take a look at those 6 programs. So this was program 1. You have 6 programs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll have those page 38 program 1, page 38 program 2, page 38 program. Have your name in the front, no spaces, no symbols, parentheses, any of that kind of jazz. And then you'll submit those all on the page 38. So what I should see here is I should see, for Sean, I should see program 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 6 of them. Now remember, all of those programs were on your, were shown. So if we go to Robotics here and you go to your topics page and you go to your video tutorials and we look at this is the instructions for page 38, how to submit it and process all that. And then this one, EV3 Robotics lesson number 1, moving forward, shows you how to create all 6 programs. So you just have to watch this video in order to learn how to write the programs and get your robot to do those 6 programs that we see right here. All right, all of that is explained in the video, how to create 1 move steering block and 2 and 3. So you create them all one at a time, 1 block at a time, 6 different programs. It's all shown in that video. Now, so I can do this and I can open up Sean's program and I can change it so that it has a better name, so that's more fitting. And I noticed that, all right, so this is a large motor block. This is the move steering block. You can see it says move steering when you go over it. This is a move tank. This is a display. This is a sound. And that's a brick status light. So we're supposed to be using the move steering block. Okay, that's what should be here. This is a large motor block, as it says. So this wasn't done correctly. And something that we have here is we have motor ports A, B, C, and D. So we're using B and C as comes out automatically. And this was port D. So once again, all of this is explained in the video and in the book. So if I look at the book, you can see here are the ports B and C. And this is the move steering block, all for these. So make sure that you use the right ports B and C. Watch the video, make sure you use the correct blocks, and then submit your books, your work. Once again, you just click, let's go back to this file. You pick the folder you want to place your work in if you're a remote learner. You open that folder, and then you upload, and then you find in your documents where your program is that you just saved in your document folder, and then you hit open and it uploads it, and it should say program 38 or page 38 program 1, and it should have your name, no spaces, no parentheses, no apostrophes, no quotes, no number signs, no hashtags, none of that stuff. You can use underscore if you'd like. Underscore is fine. Don't use dashes, underscores. Or you can just leave your, just like this, page 38 program 1 with no spaces altogether. You have your name and all that together. This is how you save a proper formatted program. This is improperly formatted save name. So make sure you get all that in there, and I should see this folder filled with all those programs.